So ladies and gentlemen, you're most welcome again. So in today's video, we want to evaluate the expression the square root of 50 plus the square root of 8. So to evaluate the expression, we're going to say first solution. Now we say to evaluate the expression, the square root of 50 plus the square root of 8. What we do, we can first simplify the square root of each, and then after we add the result. So we say we simplify the square root of each and add the results. So when you have an expression like this, for you to approach it or for you to evaluate it, the first thing you do, you have to evaluate the expression of each. You have to simplify, you have to simplify the square root of each of this expression. Then after, you go ahead and add the results. So here, what we're going to do, we come and say the square root of 50 can be simplified as, so here we're going to say square root of 50 is the same as square root of 25 times the square root of times 2. Square root of 25 times 2. Then put this in bracket. This is because when you multiply 25 times 2, you get 50, which is the same as square root of 25 times square root of 2. So this is going to give us square root of 25. You're going to get 5 times the square root of 2. When you do this, finally we're going to get 5 square root of 2. So which means that the square root of 50 can be simplified as this one, like this. So from here we can go ahead and simplify the square root of 8. So we say square root of 8 can be simplified as, so you say square root of 8 is the same as the square root of 4 times 2. Put this in the bracket, which means that 4 times 2 you get 8, still another square root. This is the same as square root of 4 times square root of 2. Now what we're going to do, of course the square root of 4, you know it is 2, is going to be 2 times square root of 2, which is going to be 2 the square root of 2. So now the square root of 8 can be simplified to this one, 2 the square root of 2. Now we can add the simplified expressions. Now we can add the simplified expressions. So this is going to be this is going to be 5 square root of 2 plus 2 square root of 2. So which means that this one is going to be, since we have the square root which is the same, now we are just going to add the coefficient, and then we maintain the constant square root. This is going to be 5 plus 2 square root of 2. So when you add 5 plus 2, you get 7. This is going to be 7 square root of 2. So therefore, after getting this, we can now say therefore can now say therefore can say therefore the square root of 50 plus the square root of 8 is the same as 7 square root of 2, and this is going to be our answer. Thank you guys. This video is powered by Tebi Talks. Remember to subscribe so that you get more videos. Thank you. We love you guys.